In this video, I'll explain advanced workflow triggers, automations that react to real world conditions. Workflows can respond to far more than just time schedules. Automations can be triggered using temperature, humidity, current, voltage, motion, and door status, allowing your home to react intelligently to real world conditions in real time. Turn on the AC when the room gets too hot. Activate the exhaust fan when bathroom humidity rises. Switch passage lights on when motion is detected. Or disconnect appliances automatically during unsafe voltage conditions. Each trigger supports custom thresholds and conditions, enabling smarter automations that adapt dynamically instead of following fixed timings alone. This creates a home that doesn't just follow schedules, it responds intelligently to what's actually happening around it. Now, I'll show you how to use advanced workflow triggers to create automations that react to real world conditions in real time. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Automation at the bottom. Tap on the plus icon. Select Workflow and create a new workflow. Enter a name for the workflow. Select the room and tap OK. Under timings, choose whether the workflow should run during a specific time window or select always on if it needs to operate continuously. Tap Next. Under sensor type, choose the trigger condition you want the workflow. Available trigger types include temperature, humidity, current, voltage, light, switch status, gas detection, door sensor, smart lock, motion detection, water level, human presence, vibration, and doorbell. Choose the trigger type that matches your automation requirement. For example, select temperature to control ACs, humidity for exhaust fans, motion detection for automatic lighting, or voltage for appliance protection. Once you select the required trigger type, set the trigger conditions and continue creating your workflow. After setting the trigger conditions, you can choose the action type based on what you want the workflow to do. Select Switch Action to turn a switch on or off. Select Regulate/Dimmer action to dim the light or adjust the fan speed. Select Curtain Action to open or close the curtain automatically. Select Notification Action to receive an in-app notification when the workflow is triggered. Select Alert Action if you want to send a WhatsApp or email alert. Select Scene Action to execute a saved scene automatically. Select Color Action to change the light color based on the workflow condition. Choose the required action type, configure the action settings, and continue creating your workflow. Your home reacts automatically to the environment around it. Thank you.